The Kardashian-Jenner family has several great properties all across the world. Along with that, they have a beautiful collection of expensive cars. But if we compare Kardashians to Jenner, who owns the better cars? Well, it's definitely the Kardashian sisters, as the sisters own not just one or two cars, but a massive fleet of cars which celebrities around the world love to gossip about. So, what are some of the most expensive cars owned by Kim, Kourtney, and Khloe? The first, most expensive car in Khloe's fleet is the Mercedes G63, which is a very common celebrity car. But what made it so popular was when Khloe posted some pictures posing with more than 100 Gucci bags. Khloe bought this car for $200,000, which is definitely not a big deal for her. Another expensive car in Khloe's collection is the Lamborghini Aventador LP 740 Roadster. This is the most exotic, super luxurious car she owns with a very high price tag of $450,000. Those were some extremely expensive cars, but there are even more coming up. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the most expensive cars the Kardashian sisters own. So make sure to watch the video to the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Up next is Kourtney. Kourtney personally uses the Mercedes-Benz S500, one of the best models released by Mercedes. The car is powerful yet good-looking and suits Kourtney's personality extremely well. She also has a Ferrari 458 Italia with a very sexy red finish. The Ferrari costs more than $500,000. She also has a Mercedes-Benz SL Class in her beautiful car collection, along with accessories like speakers by Bose. This smooth ride cost her about $100,000. This might come to you as a shock, but her collection also has an exquisite Rolls-Royce. It is loaded with amazing features and specifications. The Rolls-Royce is a car full of power and it surely matches her amazing personality. The car surely cost her more than $300,000, but it was definitely worth the price. Adding to her car collection, she also owns a Bentley Continental, an amazing convertible car. This black beauty makes her collection even bolder. It cost her around $2 million. A Porsche was a must in Kourtney Kardashian's collection of expensive cars. She possesses a snow-white Porsche Panamera. In between all the reds and blacks, this car does bring out a different essence to her collection. It must have cost her around $100,000 to purchase this outstanding beauty. So, does Kim also own expensive cars like her sisters? Make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. One of the most unique supercars owned by Kim, the Mercedes SLR McLaren, has a 5.4-liter twin-screw supercharged V8 which has up to 617 horsepower and 780 Nm of torque. This beast has a price tag of $748,453. The supercar is driven by Kim the most. SV Autobiography is one of the ultra-luxury SUVs available today and is also one of the most expensive rides in Kim's collection. It has a 5.0-liter V8 supercharged gas engine with 557 horsepower and 516 pounds-foot of torque. This Range Rover SV Autobiography comes at a price of $209,500 and is only used when Kim takes it to meetings. Ferrari is one of the many brands everyone wants to see in their garage, and Kim loves it too. The 488 Spider has a 3.9-liter V8 engine with an output of 661 horsepower and 761 Nm of torque. The 488 Spider starts at $280,900. Another unique car that Kim owns is a Wraith Rolls-Royce. It is powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine and has a price tag of $330,000. This is not the only Rolls-Royce Kim owns. She also has a Rolls-Royce Dawn worth $356,300. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the most expensive cars owned by the Kardashian sisters? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.